Okay, we're on board the 1928 classic yacht Euphemia 2, and just painting the bilge in this area, and using bilge coat from Interlux. And I like it, my bilge, to be something that looks nice, even though it's covered up all the time, because I can take a peek at it and I can quickly determine how nasty it may or may not be getting. And in this case here, this coupling, I've taken some, what do they call it, rust converter, and then trim clad paint to it. And I wire brushed it first. And it's pretty gross. I think I may have it just in time, so when the time comes to take it apart, it may actually come apart without too much trouble, but hopefully I got that in time. I couldn't do right down at the bottom. It's all masked up still, of course, but in this area, which is the lowest, I still have a little bit of water there, so I'll have to revisit this and just do a touch-up when the boat is out on the hard next year probably, and that'll be that. You can see a brown line down there. That's actually just a dirty hose for the bilge pump, and got the high water alarm, which also triggers the bilge pump, and then the regular bilge pump float down below that. Masked off in orange tape there is the ball valve for draining the freshwater tanks. I masked up the hoses because, well, for one, the freshwater hose there is brand new, and it's semi-transparent, so I thought, well, I don't want to paint it, so try to keep it looking a little tidier, and then down in here, so from this part of the boat, which is just behind the wheelhouse, all the way back to the stern, the bilge has been done. And in the lazarette / under the cockpit, where the freshwater tanks are, that's been done pretty high up past the waterline, I think. I think I did it even up on the ceiling, but not sure. Can't remember, but it's up high. Here I just did what I can reach. And that's fine. So now the organic, I had scrubbed it clean as much as I could to get rid of organic matter, because part of what this is about is keeping organic matter from building up on the wood and starting to cause rot. It's not about actually sealing the wood, and that's part of why I want to just keep the bilge clean, just keep the organic matter and rot at bay. And so that's my update for now.